What's up, guys? I know I just made a video about the house, but I'm gonna kick out another video. I just bought a Ford Expedition Max XL. It's not XLT and it's not titanium or anything like that, which is what I like. Um, I think I got a really good smoking deal on it, and I want to share it with you guys. I haven't seen it yet. I don't know all the details, but I want to share with you guys what I got and my thinking. So let's check it out. All right, guys, here is the Copart website, 2018 Ford Expedition Max XL. First thing I want to show you guys is over here. You can see it's a government salvage vehicle. So I like government vehicles because often they are maintained on a regular basis. They are entered in a maintenance program and they get regular oil changes, maintenance, all that stuff. As we scroll down, we can see minor dents and scratches. However, it does say 0, not actual miles. So something's going on there. I don't really know exactly. My guess is that it has a dead battery and somebody was just too lazy to change it. I know that Copart typically connects a charger or another battery just to get it functioning and started, but either there's something wrong with the truck or they were just too lazy. So now I have to dig in a little bit deeper and try to investigate to see what's going on. This vehicle is in Connecticut. I'm in Ohio, so it is going to take a little bit of money to have it transferred. And also it requires a dealer's license, which I already bought. I already paid a dealer to purchase this for me, and it went pretty smooth. Paid a dealer through Copart to buy this for me, so they have a list of authorized dealers on Copart, and if you pay them, it goes pretty smooth actually. So I paid them $400. They gave me a separate sign-on, and I did all the bidding and all the purchasing myself without them. So it's kind of stupid, to actually pay someone to do this. But in some states, it's required. So, anyways, yeah, I bought this for $10,500, guys. That's it, $10,500. But let me show you the reasoning why I felt this was such a good deal. First of all, it's not crashed, okay? Let's check this out. No crash. It's a government vehicle. Let's check it out. It's an XL. I'm sorry, it's a Max. So that means it's long. You can fit a full sheet of plywood in there, no problems. Let's go around real quick. No major damage. Now, the thing about government vehicles, guys, is a lot of times they don't drive them. It's very common for a government vehicle to just sit there for months and months and months, to have a dead battery. But whatever is wrong with this thing, it's definitely worth $10,500. And especially for me, because I'm going to use this as a work truck. There is no third row seats. I'm okay with that. Now let's check out the engine compartment. This is pretty significant here. Now we're going to zoom in here, guys. First, let's look at the coolant bottle. It has not changed colors yet. Typically, these are like a white or a clearish color as it is here from the factory. And then later, they turn yellow or orange with heat. Because this hasn't changed colors yet, yeah, it's still low mileage. The other thing I'm looking at here is that the brake fluid is still pretty good looking. You can see it in the back there. It's not brown or black. So again, that's another indicator that it has low mileage. And the engine is complete. The battery is still connected. Somebody was messing with the battery. Not sure what's going on there, but I'm okay with that. Everything's in order here. Okay, the next thing I want to show you guys is the tires. These are the original tires from the factory. Goodyear Wranglers is what they installed from the factory. So these are the original tires. It's another indicator that this truck has low mileage. Now you can see here that they tried to look at the dash and the odometer, but there just wasn't a reading. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on there, but it's definitely worth bidding on. So that's what I bought, guys. I'm really happy about it. We're going to record the process of the truck getting off the semi or however it comes. We did pay for shipping. Total with delivery was about $13,500. So, you know, it's a good amount of money, but at the same time, if it's in good condition and it has low mileage, it is an absolute steal. So do me a favor, comment below, let me know what you think the truck has as far as mileage. Let me know if you think it's a good deal or if it's risky. And I'll make another video and I'll tell you guys all about it. We'll see you.